This game is called Heavy Rain, everyone.
I have a controller.
This is the best PS3 game, in my idea, that has ever been released. Emma, you just messed up like a whole minute of the recording. Emma, I'm freaking serious. I swear to God, I will punch you in the face.
I'm standing next to the butthole pole.
Shut up. We're gonna be playing some Heavy Rain.
Heavy Rain, guys. Heavy Rain. And it's gonna be epic. Because we have our dog in here with pink tags. And she looks freaking awesome. My dog looks freaking awesome.
Yep, we're gonna be playing Heavy Rain. Hope you guys enjoy this game. I know I did when I played it. This game is just a masterpiece.
1 to 3.
Emma, you're not allowed to sit there.
But I don't want to sit on there.
Fine.
Oh, the butthole pool must have poked a hole in my...
Shut up! Do you not know anything
That
about
sounded like
recording?
Slosh. Sounded like Slosh.
Shut up. You need to be quiet. Listen to the game. I think another thing in this game is the soundtrack. It's just really good.
It's sad. Very, very sad.
It is sad.
Poor Ethan.
I already beat the game once. I think I got the best ending.
Yeah, guys, this is Ethan.
Emma, you'll find that out later. Holy crap, you retard.
Yeah.
Shut up. Listen to the intro.
You're nasty.
I know you were.
You're nasty.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
You should turn that down.
Okay, this game is really loud now. It's never been this loud. I have it up to like 32, I think. I don't know, the camera on the other side. Don't you dare turn it down.
I'll stay up here then.
I want the camera to hear every little thing.
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
For those of you guys who haven't played this game yet, I'm not gonna spoil it or anything, and Emma won't either, or else she'll get punished.
I know.
Did you fart?
No.
This stinks like turds, and I'm sitting right behind you.
Oh my god, I did not fart.
Fart. I farted.
I didn't.
Let go of me, you freaking retard. Emma, seriously, come sit back here. Like, you're getting... I gave you a chance already. You're being annoying as crap. You're touching me. Shut up, you retard. Oh, dirty thing. That's lovely, Ethan. You can see a people shot right there. Oh no! Oh dear Lord! Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, don't look in his butthole, yeah? I don't know how to blur stuff out on YouTube either. Yeah.
Don't pay attention to his butt too much. Just watch him rub this lovely towel.
it wrong. I'm not gay. It's fine. Those of you who are, it's fine. Not racist here. It's cool. I'm not racist. Those of you who are, no problem with that. I'm not gay. I'm not staring at his butt right now. Oh, I'm not. I'm staring at my dog. I'm staring at my dog. Nope, don't look at his butt, Kyle. Relax. Can I
Well, you
flush
should
it?
see down his...
Flush it. That's not the way we flush this thing. Like, he has to, like, if he's pooping and he has to, like, turn around and push it, and, like, breaks his back when he's turning around or something. That's, like, the darkest bathroom I've ever seen, too.
Smallest.
Yeah. They couldn't have the toilet in the bathroom where the shower is.
I know.
Oh, I guess it makes sense. Someone's taking a shower. Oh, I gotta take a crap.
Breaking a sweat.
Yeah.
It's
Skrillex.
breaking the sweat. I'm breaking a sweat. Oh, he's so fabulous. The way, oh, look at him walk.
Did you see him from here? Oh, I know. Okay. Juggle balls.
Oh, he's touching balls, guys. Watch out.
Banana. 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 Banana.
Lay down.
Banana.
I don't know, you can get a better look at that level. She said, come up here.
My puppy's next to me, everyone. Look, I'm stuck. Don't look away. Oh, oh.
I'm fabulous.
Oh, it's so bright. I'm muting it. Oh! No! Put the balls back, Ethan. Put them back.
Put the balls down.
Yes, I thought it would close the door. But...
Fabulous. Oh, look at him walk down those steps. So
The graphics are a lot better when it's on a big TV. I played it on a flat screen TV when I played it, but I should have recorded it on that, I guess.
sorry for the tiny TV. Our dad has a big TV.
Yeah, our dad.
We're moving.
We're moving, so our dad has a big TV and stuff.
Don't feel bad about us moving, guys. We'll still have like the same epic recording stuff.
Yeah, and we're gonna bring my little TV and we're gonna put it in my room, so I'll be able to record more footage.
Should I tell them where we're moving, or will they stalk us?
Oh, I don't know. They'll probably suck us. We're moving the Mirtha way. Mirtha's way.
Where's the way, Kyle?
It's not Mirtha way. Mirtha way is Mirtha's way. This is on the side. It's Mirtha's way. You're retarded.
I'm fabulous.
You're retarded.
I'm pedestrian.
I'm gonna drink some beer then. How about that? Oh, I can't drink beer yet. I can have coffee.
Extra decaf. Oh, a little bit of coffee.
He doesn't have to speak English. Stop being racist for reals. He's beginning watching this. I'm not kidding. Is there beer in there? I know there's beer in there. It's right there. I want the beer. Orange juice. I prefer apple juice, but.
Should have drank the beer.
I know.
It's like myself.
I should have drank the beer. Beer.
Should have drank.
Oh, Ellen, do you remember I thought the TV came down from that little fireplace thingy that I'm standing in front of? Remember I thought it came down from this thing? And it turns out the little TV was right there. I was like, oh, it's a freaking huge TV. And I see it, it's like, oh, no, it's a little TV. Turn TV on, relax. Chicken-lax. Yeah, I thought the TV was a freaking big thing. I was just that. Oh, we're watching Samurai Jack. No way. you stalking those children, Ethan?
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
Oh, my mommy's sexy. Because I'm a boy, my name's He hugs the bags and lets
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Not really. I tried, but I didn't really nail it. I hope I get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the client next month.
I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
Remember we couldn't find the plates? We were searching.
Ethan, I asked if you could help me with the plates in the living room cupboard.
I am woman.
No problem. Leave it to me.
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug. That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Hey, Ethan, you said you were going to be careful.
I'm sorry. I'll be more gentle.
Decol 360, guys, not bash.
No, it's fucking modern gamer. Not Decol 360 anymore. Stop rubbing your feet on the dog.
Sorry.
The dog is a dog, not a feet rubber.
That's something you can rip off each one.
I have any more things to do?
Girl, give me something to do. Oh, I'll touch
Ethan.
I don't know if I've already told you this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars.
Oh, wow.
Ah! Oh. Guys, watching the movie, would you guys please stop making out?
I know what's on your mind, Ethan. But now is not the right time for it.
Shame.
I've really got to focus on this party. We'll continue this little conversation later.
Jason looks happy.
Yeah, it's hard to believe he's 10 years old today. It seems like only yesterday we were flirting in high school. We're getting
So fluffy!
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here soon.
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first.
No,
me
me
first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
Me first. Me first. No, me first.
It's a birthday boy.
Well, guys, who should I choose? Well, that will be up to
Leave
us
comments.
in the next episode of Heavy Rain.
Birthday boy.
This episode has been
Wait,
way
what are
too
their
quick.
names? What are their names?
Jason and Sean.